Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So, put on. Put on. To wear something. I want to put on a jumper. I put on suspenders when I am teaching. Yeah. Yeah, suspenders. How cool is that? We should put on more jumpers before going there. Yeah. As I go running, I put on the right kind of shirts and trousers. Yeah, good for running. Yeah. It is important to put on the right kind of clothes when you go walking up a mountain. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I put it on earlier. I put it on earlier, but I don't have it now. Yeah. Yeah. Put it on with that shirt. So I like to put the suspenders on with a white shirt. Yeah, shirt. Yeah, I like to put suspenders on with a white shirt. I put them on together. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. When are you going to put it on? Say the music or the show, anything. Not necessarily to wear something, but put it on. But in this case, clothes, yeah. I will put the hat on when I need it. Yes, I will put those shoes on as I am about to go outside. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, yeah. So, can you use put on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.